So today was my meeting day, and I just finished. It's around 7 o'clock. So I'm pooped. I started at 8:30 in the morning. And it was just, I had a few breaks in between, and that was about it. I think my post over there is leaning outward. I have to check on that because I don't want it to fall again. Yeah. So I will show you. We had the eaves done yesterday. So this is our new eaves. My goodness, what a difference with a proper downspout there. He adjusted that, and it was working because yesterday it went on when a raccoon or something came by. I have not seen Short Tail or Sammy here. I hope he's okay. I've seen another chipmunk trying to go into the hole. So I don't know about chipmunk behavior and how they deal with that sort of thing, but I'm a little distraught. So this is the eaves from here. Oh my goodness, what a difference it makes. So we weren't able to get much done. The weekend was just too hot and muggy, and Elizabeth and the kids were here. So I just wanted to spend some time with them as well. So I did get the hose finally plugged in, and I was able to finally wash this down. It's clearly not level, and there are dips. The water pools over there. It took me forever to get it out of there, but I finally got it all cleaned up. But you can see where all the dips are. That row is going to come off once we start working over here. I may put some big boulders over there by the stump. I'll have to see. These are just, yeah. Don't know what to say. Don't know what to say. There's another one there that is leaning down. So the deck actually is slanting towards here and not outward towards the lake. And the thought of redoing this whole thing is just frightening. So anyway, it is what it is. But you can see where, like, I keep tripping on this thing here. It's 1/2 inch differential. That this is not okay. This is not okay. So Elizabeth trimmed this back. I think I'm not sure if it's low enough. So I might have to trim it some more, but I want to work on this tomorrow and Friday because I want to get this done. I've got meetings on Friday again. Look at the 2 ducks. I will keep my distance, okay? I used to have a pet duck. His name was Beaky. So I cleaned up the water a little bit. And there's still a lot of sediment on the bottom. I'll just do a little bit at a time and continue to work on that. Bye, Mr. and Mrs. Duck. Bye. I'll see you soon, okay? So the beach now is all exposed. The kids loved it. Yesterday they were able to go on flat rock, which is partially covered with sand. So funny. I'm gonna go back over there somewhere, see if little Short Tail will come out to greet me. Looking for Peanuts. I miss him. He was such a little beggar. He was really antsy on the weekend by Sparky, and he kept looking behind him. So there might be a bully involved. I'm not happy about that. Look at that poor Stelladoro. Shame on me. It'll recover quickly, but yeah. Oh, and look at the red Stelladoro there. It's a Stelladoro, but it does, yeah, it is a Stelladoro. That's beautiful. I'm going to put that in the garden over there. The daisies are just absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. And the hydrangeas are coming in nicely. The lavender, a little scraggly. Yeah, that's stone crop. Yeah, the other one is doing the same thing. I don't like that. This is the one I had at home. That's pink. And that's the way I like it to look. Short Tail. Short Tail. Sammy. We had all sorts of names for him. Short Tail. I'm gonna go over here, but look at our Eaves. Oh my goodness. Just so beautiful. There's a few little things. Came out really nice. So it's been stormy all day, and it's still dark and threatening more thunderstorms, so I decided to clean up the chandelier that we're going to be putting up in the kitchen area. So it took me forever to take all the crystals out. This is a chandelier that I bought on Kijiji. We got it. It's a cream color which goes or will go perfectly in here. It will complement my beach house lamp perfectly, so I'm really excited about that. I am going to give this a wipe down, and I'm hoping that Joe will be able to put it up next time he's up in 2 weeks. That will really be wonderful because it's kind of dark. These are smaller than those. I'm going to be just drying the crystals a little bit and sorting them by size so that they're all separate and ready to go. little wires just on my fingers. Okay, I'm going to put these on, and I'm going to leave these about 1 on the side, but no. I think that's it, my friends. I'm loving it. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. So I have these left over. This is 3, 6, okay, 6, 9. These are the dangly ones. Maybe